Kidney disease symptoms. Signs of kidney damage you must not ignore. Chronic kidney disease is an extremely serious condition where sufferers experience the loss of kidney function over time. The kidneys filter waste and excess fluids from the blood, which are then excreted in your urine. If kidney disease reaches an advanced stage, dangerous levels of fluids, electrolytes, and wastes can build up in your body. In the early stages of kidney disease, you may have few signs that anything is wrong. In fact, the condition may not become apparent until your kidney function is significantly impaired. Here are 9 symptoms that could indicate you have kidney disease. You are more tired than usual. If you have less energy than normal or are having trouble concentrating, it could be a sign that your kidneys are not functioning optimally. A decrease in kidney function can lead to a buildup of toxins and impurities in the blood. This can cause sufferers to feel tired, weak, and make it difficult to concentrate. A further complication of kidney disease is anemia, which can cause fatigue and weakness. You have trouble sleeping. If your kidneys are not filtering fluids properly, toxins remain in the blood instead of leaving the body through the urine. This can make it hard to sleep. There is also a link between chronic kidney disease and obesity. Sleep apnea, a disorder characterized by pauses in breathing, has been found to be more common in those with chronic kidney disease or who are overweight. You have itchy or dry skin. Healthy kidneys perform many critical tasks. They remove waste and excess fluid from your body, make red blood cells, keep your bones strong, and maintain the right amount of minerals in your blood. Itchy and dry skin can be a sign of the type of mineral and bone disease that often accompanies kidney disease. It occurs when the kidneys are no longer able to maintain the correct balance of minerals and nutrients in your blood. You have the urge to urinate more often. If you feel a desire to urinate more often than normal, particularly at night, it can be a sign of kidney disease. Damaged kidneys can cause an increase in the need and urgency to urinate. This can also be a sign of a urinary tract infection or enlarged prostate in men. Blood appears in your urine. Healthy kidneys keep blood cells in the body when filtering waste elements to produce urine. However, when the kidneys' filters have been damaged, blood cells start to leak into the urine. In addition to indicating kidney disease, blood in the urine can also be a sign of kidney stones or an infection. Your urine is excessively foamy. A large amount of bubbles in the urine, especially the type that require you to flush many times before they go away, is an indication of protein in the urine. The foam may appear like foam you would see when scrambling eggs, as the protein found in urine, albumin, is in fact the same protein that is found in eggs. Puffiness around the eyes. Protein in the urine is an early indication that the kidney's filtering mechanism has been compromised, allowing protein to leak into the urine. Puffiness around the eye area can be a sign that your kidneys are leaking a large amount of protein in the urine, rather than keeping it within the body. Your feet and ankles are swollen. A loss of kidney function can lead to sodium retention, which in turn causes swelling in your feet and ankles. Swelling in the lower extremities could also be a sign of heart disease, liver disease, and chronic vein problems. Your muscles cramp. Cramps, especially leg cramps, are common for those with kidney disease. This is because impaired kidney function often results in electrolyte imbalances. For example, low calcium levels and poorly controlled phosphorus can contribute to muscle cramping. Many of the symptoms described in this video can be caused by conditions unrelated to your kidneys. However, if you experience any of them, it is important to see your doctor for a proper medical assessment. For kidney disease, early intervention with medication and lifestyle changes can vastly improve your prognosis and quality of life. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.